In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate app-na2.hubspot.com like a pro. HubSpot is a powerful tool for managing your customer relationships and optimizing your business processes, and understanding how to use its features can really enhance your productivity. So, let's dive right into your user guide and walk through a few crucial steps to get you started. First, you need to access the HubSpot user guide. Open your browser and head over to the HubSpot website. Once you're there, log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. After logging in, look for the user guide section. This is your go-to resource for getting familiar with all of HubSpot's features. Here you'll find tutorials and explanations that are invaluable for both beginners and seasoned users. Once you've reached the user guide, the next step is to click on the highlight feature. Now, you might be wondering why this is important. The highlight feature is a great way to get a quick overview of key information. It can point out important updates or features that you should pay attention to. Just a tip: if at any point the information seems overwhelming, take a moment to pause and go over it again at your own pace. Getting comfortable with these tools takes time, so don't rush through it. Once you've clicked on the highlight, let's move on to the next step. Next, navigate over to the email section. This feature is crucial as it tailors your communication preferences to match your workflow. Click on the Email tab in your user preferences. Here you have control over your notification settings and can customize how and when you receive updates. This helps in keeping your communication organized and efficient. Make sure to spend a bit of time here to set up the preferences that align best with how you work. Lastly, you'll want to ensure that your emails include an Unsubscribe link, a best practice for maintaining good email etiquette and compliance with regulations. To do this, find the option labeled Include Unsubscribe Link and select it. By enabling this, you give your recipients the option to opt out of receiving further communications, thus respecting their preferences and maintaining a healthy interaction rate. It's a critical step, especially if you're managing large lists of contacts. And there you have it. Following these steps will give you a confident start with navigating HubSpot and make sure that you are setting things up the right way from the get-go. Remember, taking the time to personalize these settings not only keeps you organized, but enhances your overall HubSpot experience. Thanks for watching, and happy HubSpotting!